this was a quick day for me. All right, got to figure out some kind of a grading. We need to get caught up on a couple exams, and we'll do that next week. Also, the packet tracer. There's a bunch of one from the first term, one, I think there might be one or two from the second term, and then the two from this class, scaling, we can't do those until after we get done with EIGRP and OSPF. But these three, I gave you some deadlines when I thought they should be done, but I think they're on until the end of the course. We didn't really talk about NIAC. We didn't get here very far. What we did do was we talked about this lab right here that we set up, and the students used it today. The only issue we have is the DHCP wasn't working, so I'm not sure why, but I might rebuild the scenario, and I might just take it out and put it back in. But otherwise, the students used it today, the lab, and it was a good example for the first year students. They could see a little bit of routing, they could see the NAT, and they saw this DHCP. I showed them how it got an address, and we were able to talk about DNS and a couple other things, so it was good. Alright, Chris had this interesting static route situation. So next week we need to be completely done up through chapter 5. However, we get that work finished up, so then second half of the course we can focus on EIGRP for the first half, and then OSPF on the second half. And of course, anytime we set up these networks sitting underneath them, so we got this big EIGRP network, we can have the LANs inside be as sophisticated as we want them. So we can keep reviewing spanning tree protocol, ether channel, and we keep reviewing DHCP, NAT, and also we'll tie with this, we'll do some work, some extra work that would help us do IP version 6. Alright, that's it.